When it comes to upgrading your home, windows are one of the most impactful investments you can make. Not only do they influence your home's appearance, but they also affect energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. For homeowners in Orangeburg, selecting the right windows is essential to withstand the local climate while enhancing your home's style and value. To help you make an informed decision, here's the ultimate guide to choosing Orangeburg windows for your home. Assess your needs before diving into the various window styles and materials. Take a moment to assess your home's specific needs. Consider factors like energy efficiency. Do your current windows let in drafts or make it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature? Style. Does your home have a traditional or modern design that you want to complement? Maintenance. How much time and effort can you dedicate to window upkeep? Security. Are you looking for windows with advanced locking systems for better protection? Understanding these needs will guide you toward the best options for your home. Choose the right material. The material of your window frames impacts not only their durability and maintenance but also their appearance and performance. Here are some popular options for Orangeburg homes. Vinyl benefits: affordable, low maintenance, and resistant to moisture and warping. Ideal for homeowners seeking energy-efficient and budget-friendly solutions. Drawback: limited color options compared to other materials. Wood benefits: timeless and elegant, wood frames offer excellent insulation and can be painted or stained to match your home. Ideal for traditional or historic homes. Drawback: requires regular maintenance to prevent rot and decay. Aluminum benefits: strong, lightweight, and sleek, aluminum frames are great for modern designs. Ideal for homes with large or custom-shaped windows. Drawback: less energy efficient compared to other materials. Fiberglass benefits: durable, energy efficient, and resistant to weather changes. Fiberglass mimics the look of wood without the upkeep. Ideal for homeowners seeking longevity and low maintenance. Drawback: higher initial cost. Select the right glass option. The type of glass in your windows significantly affects their energy efficiency, security, and overall performance. Here's what to consider. Double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas, argon or krypton, in between reduce heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. Low E coating. A special coating reflects heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Tempered or laminated glass. Strengthened glass options enhance safety and security, making them ideal for homes with large windows or in storm-prone areas. Tinted or reflective glass. These options can reduce glare and heat, perfect for sunny Orangeburg days. Consider window styles. The style of your windows should align with your home's architecture and functionality needs. Popular choices include double-hung windows, classic and versatile. These are easy to clean and suit a variety of home styles. Casement windows. Hinged at the side and opening outward, these provide excellent ventilation and a sleek look. Sliding windows. Ideal for wide spaces, these windows are easy to operate and perfect for modern homes. Bay and bow windows. Add elegance and create a focal point by extending outward, providing additional interior space. Picture windows. Large, fixed windows that frame stunning views and let in ample natural light. Prioritize energy efficiency. In Orangeburg, where summers are warm and winters can be chilly, energy-efficient windows are a must. Look for the Energy Star certification, which ensures your windows meet rigorous efficiency standards. Features like low-E glass, double glazing, and insulated frames will help you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing energy bills. Think about maintenance. Some window materials and designs require more maintenance than others. Vinyl and fiberglass are excellent low-maintenance options, while wood offers classic beauty but needs regular upkeep. Choose a material that aligns with the time and effort you're willing to dedicate to care. Don't forget curb appeal. Your windows are a major component of your home's exterior appearance. Choose frames and styles that enhance your home's curb appeal while complementing its architectural design. Adding grids, mullions, or decorative glass can further elevate your window's aesthetic appeal. Set a budget. Windows are a significant investment, so establish a budget before starting your search. Factor in not only the cost of the windows but also installation, potential energy savings, and long-term durability. Remember, quality windows are an investment that pays off through increased home value and reduced utility costs. Work with a trusted installer. The quality of your window installation is just as important as the windows themselves. Hire a professional installer with experience in the Orangeburg area who can ensure your windows are properly fitted and sealed. A good installer will also offer warranties on both the products and their workmanship. Conclusion: choosing the right windows for your Orangeburg home is a decision that combines functionality, aesthetics, and sustainability. By assessing your needs, selecting the right materials and styles, and prioritizing energy efficiency, you can find windows that enhance your home's comfort and value. Ready to elevate your home with high-quality Orangeburg windows? Contact a trusted local window professional today to explore your options and start your journey toward a more beautiful and efficient home.